In today's video, we'll begin learning how to track public transport from different countries. So first, I'm using the public transport departures one. So this is the over 60 countries, and then we're going to be doing the Auckland Transport one, and then we'll be doing this one down here, London TfL, and then we have Metlink, the Swedish one, the New South Wales one. So if you go to the timestamps in the video description down below to see which one you're after. First one is the public transport departures. So this one here, HA departures. Click on it, download, and then go settings, repair, restart Home Assistant, finish. Once Home Assistant is reinstalled, go devices and services, add integration, public transport departures. Okay, so now we're going to choose the location of the bus stop that we want to track. Now I've got to choose what bus stop I want. Well, good, I've only got one, but Britomart Lower Albert, yep, click submit. Okay, now what route do I want? So I don't want that one. I would like NX1, HC station, yes, and that's it. The other one's not there for some reason, but that's okay. Submit. I want to call it Britomart Lower Albert, yes, submit. So now I've created an entity for Britomart Lower Albert. And so now I've got Britomart Lower Albert underscore NX1 NX station. So once this loads, give this a couple of minutes to receive the bus information, and it will tell me the next available HC station departure for that bus. So here I've got one for Hibiscus Coast Station right here. This is the other way going. This is the bus going back the other way to Britomart. So you can see that the next departing bus is at 9:20 AM on this date, which is today's date. And I've also, this one is another one, which is NX2, and this is unknown for some reason. This integration isn't the greatest. So that's why for Auckland, it's better to use the Auckland Transport one. So if you're in Auckland, it is way better to use the Auckland Transport integration, because this comes straight from Auckland Transport using their API. And for the public transport departures, it's using a third-party departure. So here's the same stop on the other integration I was using, and this one is perfectly fine. So this one says 9:15 AM. The next bus is leaving at 9:15 AM, and you can see, so there's an API break between 1 AM and 5 AM, where the API stops giving information because there's no buses during that time on any of the routes. So Auckland don't operate buses between 1 and 5 AM, and that's why we've got this big line here saying no upcoming departures. So now I've given it a few seconds, it is now updated. So now we've got it at 9:15 AM. So this one just takes a few extra minutes for this one. For the public transport departures, but you can literally add any of them. So let's choose another location. And so if I say, if I'm going to go right here, there you go, downtown terminal, and I can choose all of them. So let's say, yep, we want the ferry terminal downtown. Submit. So this supports buses, trains, and ferries. Okay, yep. So now I've got MTA, Waiheke Walk-Up. I've got Bayswater, Birkenhead, let's just choose Devonport, let's just add that, ferry terminal downtown, and so now I've got two entities because I choose two routes, and so now I've got the ferry terminal to Devonport and the downtown to Waiheke Walk-Up. These will take, as the other ones did, it will take a few minutes to receive the time and the time codes, but once that, you can create automations based on when the next ferry comes in. If you don't want to use bus, and you can also use trains. So we're just going to add one train. So we'll just zoom in further. We'll go to the Britomart. Yep. So now I've chosen the Waitemata train station because it's been renamed to that. So I click that one. I'll click submit, and I'm going to wait for the train routes. Okay. So now I can choose west, east, or south. We're just going to choose them all. Yep. Submit. And so now I've got the east train, the south train, and the west train. And yep, and look, they're populated straight away. So next train leaves at 9:17 AM. This one leaves at 9:20. And this one leaves at 9:13.